Metal is one of the harder elements in Feng Shui to decorate with, and the one that people seem to struggle with the most. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are talking all about decorating with metal. We're continuing with our Decorating with Feng Shui series and diving into the fourth element in our 5-element series. So metal cultivates focus and independence and is a very important element to include in your space. When you're decorating with metal, you can use metal in all of its forms. Copper, silver, bronze, gold, it doesn't matter. As long as it's metal, it counts. The shapes that are typically representative of the metal element are round, wavy, and curved shapes. Like this metal charger would be a perfect example of a metal element used in decorating. Not round, but equally functional, you could use something like this mouse pad, which is also metal. I've used very functional objects like weights from a weightlifting set that are also metal element. You can think functional with the metal element more than any of the other elements because so many of our things are made just out of metal. Lamps, kitchen racks, bowls, candlesticks, vases, picture frames, plates, statuary like Susie Q here, who is one of my favorites and has a very special story that I will share with you in a different video. But statuary is one of the easiest metal decorative items to use. You can also use color. Of course, any of the metallic colors, along with all of the grays or white, and crystals. Crystals are a metal element, unlike stones, which are earth. And once upon a time, long ago, mirrors were considered metal element for decorating. But that was back in the day when mirrors were actually made out of polished metal. Nowadays, they're made out of glass. And so more accurately would be a water element. And if you have them, another functional item, you might recognize this from the plant we saw in our first video in the series all about decorating with wood, but even a little container like this, a little metal container, functional, aesthetically pleasing, it still would be a metal remedy. So go ahead and let me know in the comments below what more you want to know about decorating with the metal element. While you're down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you catch us in the last video of our series coming up next, which is all about decorating with water. And I will see you there. Bye.